Don't be the rock side, bro. Good evening on this increasingly dark, hot, sticky, uncomfortable early summer, early June. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, probability-based trading alert and the rock side, bro. Boy, you.
Mid-spring on a gorgeous, sunny, glowing, beautiful 47-degree mid-morning in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Well, that's right. You like, subscribe, and share. Oh, that's right. Bro, one of a kind. Company made. Computer software trading. Trading alert. Technical analysis. Company philosophy. As I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here in the cryptocurrency and YouTube sphere, right? As when you think of old Vincenzo, me, old Vincenzo, you think of truth. And most importantly, integrity. And that's what I brought back into the coins, right? And if you look at what we got going on here, I don't really care too much about that one right now. We're not in Ethereum Classic anymore. The Doge. What a nice pump for the Doge. They bounced off that underneath support that we were talking about before the whole downtown party that we did. And now it looks like, I don't like the way this looks either though, but there's subtly more volume. It's coming up to an area where you would think on a pump, you would come up to, you can see the green dotted lines, the current price. And it's sitting at old resistance if you look back just below that 0.17 cents, right? So what I think is going to actually go on here is you're going to start to trade back down towards that 200-day in green below it, and that's your critical area when you come back and retouch that you need to stay on top of, because you almost hit that target to a T, and now the technicals say you should probably trade back down to the lower support of this falling channel, which at current price is descending. It's at about 10.7 cents now, right? So that's what I'd be watching out for there. If we look at Ethereum, we want to look at the Bitcoin, is the same thing. We call that beautiful flush from back here where we have these two, that little mini rising channel above the yellow rising channel, right? We said that looked like it was topping out. It came down to that 45,438 area of the underneath support of the orange uptrending support and the blue ring. And the 200-day and the 3 and 4 hour time frame was just below that. And you broke those two areas, came right to the 200 like we said, and now you failed to hold the 200 like we were diagnosing, sniffing out, and detecting when we were on the bottom side of that 200 when we came through and got rejected. And we said that was very bearish. And usually now what would happen is, like you've been, you're going to trade down to the 40,626, and that's your next major moment of truth. If you fail to hold that, you got a much lower fall than the next blue ring. That's $36,000. As you know, Vincenzo has a late summer target, getting way down there. A late 2022 target of $13,336, and I think there's a 76. That's right, 76. Write this down. Get your notepads out. Turn up some hearing aids because you're hearing this again. A 76.66% chance of hitting this target by late 2022. That's right, late this year. Up from a 69.69% chance just a few short months ago. So confidence is increasing on a major late season flush, right? As we work our way out of the summertime and the old Vincenzo's favorite time of the year, late fall and early winter, that's when we think Bitcoin's going to have a big flush, right? So as the snow starts to press in from Canada, October, November, it starts to get its way into the central and eastern U.S., in November, December, we expect big things to be happening in Bitcoin. And the big things this year, we think the talk of the town around the holidays is going to be, oh my God, the big flush, right? That's what we're calling it, the big flush. And you can see XRP, after another great call, hit the bottom part of that lower support, bounced off a resistance at 90 cents. We told you that was a sell area. And then if you wanted to retake the continuation of the same pattern in this symmetrical triangle, you could buy the lower support at the uptrending current time frame, 77.5 cents, but it would be risky because you're getting low into the symmetrical and eventually you're going to come through it and go to the downside, right? And right now you're on the underneath side of it, and you got rejected. See that? You got rejected. That's what a fall through, a back test, and a rejection looks like. So if you don't pick up the steam and get back on top of that support line, you're going to come down to your short-term target, which is down here at 61 cents, right? And then we have a late season target here, right? A short-term target of 45 cents and a late season pattern complete breakdown all the way down there, summer 2022. Fuck. All the way down there, running a red light. Running a red light while speeding, right? Is that all? That was the only parking tickets you got? No. No parking tickets. Old Vincenzo's just having some fun here. But there's your late summer 2022 target. And as we wrap up this real quick, I want to show you the short position that I got you into first, following me here exclusively at Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. And this is other things that we do. We had a good day on Friday. We were up, what were we up? $328, 3% over on our portfolio. We're up to $11,200. We did add some funds because we wanted to add into our positions on a recent dip, right? But we are doing phenomenally well right now. But we did get into a live short, right? Tesla, last week we took an initial short position of one share at $1,147. And since then, Tesla is down $121.62 at the close Friday of $1,025. Netting old Vincenzo the spread so far of 10.6% and $121 and 62 cents coming into the trading week opening tomorrow. And as you know, when we took that short position out Wednesday, we had a targeted move of $950 on Tesla, and that would have been about a 20% gain and a $225 profit on shorting one share of Tesla. So we're doing phenomenally well on that. And we had our other gold stocks do pretty good. You can see Kinross. We were up a little bit. Another good one, AEM, right? The gold mining company, did pretty good for us. We just bought in. That's why we added more money, because we bought AEM. We bought $1,300 worth, right? And then we bought a little bit of Pan American Silver, right? Over $1,000, or we're up on it. I think we bought $1,000 even. No, a little bit. Yeah, $1,000 even, $1,008 because we're up 7.8%, and we've only been holding that position for a few weeks. But it pays a nice dividend, as do all of these. So these are long-term holds. But we do get in with our margin very successfully, swing trading. And this latest swing trade is shorting Tesla. That's right. Old Vincenzo had some balls on him and shorted Tesla after it was up 28%, right? And we're going to short that for another, maybe a couple of weeks, depending on the overall structure of the market, because the structure of the NASDAQ right now is very bearish. So that bodes very well for Old Vincenzo. And that's what we're doing, that's what we're thinking, that's what we're liking, and that's why we're doing it. And that's what you're going to continue to monitor with me, Old Vincenzo, as we have lots of updates coming in an exciting Sunday and more episodes of Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Once again, peace and love, peace and love.